Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm back with another video that I hope everyone finds enjoyable and helpful. In this video, I will be discussing some important things to do to remain healthy, fit, and energetic when working from home and sitting for many hours. Working from home can have many benefits, such as saving time and money on commuting, having more flexibility and autonomy, and being able to balance work and personal life better. However, it can also pose some challenges for your physical and mental health, especially if you spend long hours sitting in front of a computer screen. In this video, we will share some tips and strategies to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle while working remotely. First, let's talk about the importance of ergonomics. Ergonomics is the science of designing your work environment to fit your body and prevent injuries or discomfort. When working from home, you should make sure that your desk, chair, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and other equipment are adjusted to your height, posture, and preferences. You should also avoid working from your bed, couch, or other places that can cause strain on your neck, back, or wrists. A good rule of thumb is to follow the 90-90-90 rule. Your elbows, hips, and knees should be at 90-degree angles when sitting. You should also change your position frequently and take breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to stretch and move around. Second, let's talk about the importance of physical activity. Physical activity is essential for your overall health and well-being. It can help you burn calories, strengthen your muscles and bones, improve your cardiovascular and respiratory systems, boost your immune system, reduce stress and anxiety, and enhance your mood and cognitive function. When working from home, you should aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing. You should also include some strength training exercises at least twice a week, such as lifting weights and doing push-ups, squats, lunges, or planks. You can use household items like water bottles, books, or cans as weights if you don't have any equipment. You can also incorporate some physical activity into your daily routine by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or biking to the grocery store or pharmacy, or doing some household chores. Third, let's talk about the importance of nutrition. Nutrition is the process of providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly and stay healthy. When working from home, you should pay attention to what you eat and drink throughout the day. You should avoid skipping meals or snacking on unhealthy foods, like chips, cookies, candy, or soda. Instead, you should eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-fat dairy products. You should also drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and avoid alcohol or caffeine in excess. A good tip is to plan your meals and snacks ahead of time and stock up on healthy ingredients that are easy to prepare and consume. These are some of the ways you can stay fit and healthy when working from home and sitting for hours. Remember that your health is your most valuable asset, and you should take care of it no matter where you work. Thank you for watching this video. We will be posting some highly beneficial videos in the coming days and weeks, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive some highly valuable tips on business, home, and personal growth and success.